So the time has come where this little friend makes contact with the car. But before we jump into that, take a look at this. So here is the finished result. The guy that did this drawing is called Trafalgar Valentine, so please go and check him out. His prices are more than reasonable. He tells me on average these drawings take more than 10 hours to complete, and for what he charges, I just think it's slave labour. And honestly, the detail on this is ridiculous. I literally sent him a picture of the red car and I said, can you do this sort of scenery? And he just did it from imagination, and it's brilliant. So definitely go and check him out if you want yours doing. He does them in all different shapes and sizes. That is the biggest one that he does. But like I say, his prices are more than reasonable. I could not share that with you guys because I'm really impressed with it. That's absolutely amazing. So with all that said and done, now it's time to go and cut the front end off the Mini.
There is something that will always feel ever so wrong about taking a grinder to a classic car. However, I can't help but think how this messy surgery will allow the Mini to live on for so much longer. We tackle these tasks with struggles and stresses, although I'm sure in the next year or so, it will all be worth it.
If you're wondering why I've ground the subframe up, it is because that is the state it's in. That's going straight to the tip, and a brand new one will be getting ordered when we need it. There's no point even salvaging that. It's wrecked. The ironic thing is, when I bought this car, I was told it only needs about £300 worth of panels to fix it. Obviously I ignored that because I knew that wasn't true. Front end's off, all that stuff there, we're going to go to the tip and get rid of it now. It's not worth saving. These rough edges that are here that I've left that need to come off, I need to go and buy some spot weld bits. I'm going to drill all the spot welds off and take them off afterwards, but it was just to sort of get a bit of room so I can push the jig together and we've got more space. How on earth that was even... Just look at the state. How was that even holding together? Oh my god. Right at the back. Well, there you have it. The front end has gone on the Mini. It is quite saddening having to cut holes in a car that's pushing on 36 years old, and yeah, but it's the start of many things to come. So I want to thank you for watching this video. Apologies it was short and sweet. I do know I keep you guys waiting way too long for these videos, but as always mentioned, it is a struggle trying to do this and work and just live with a normal life basically, but I won't change it because I enjoy it. So what I will say is thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already done so, hit this button here, because every time we upload, it'll go ding, 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 TCR video live, and you can watch it. And this little button now can just go. So yeah, see you in the next one. For now, guys, see you later.